Double Bowl 16-piece dinnerware set. Set contains 10.9-inch dinner plates, 8.7-inch salad plates, 5.7-inch cereal bowls, and 8.19-inch all-purpose dining bowls. The Inglaze hand-applied design provides a silky smooth finish and an unbeatable pop of color, bringing the vibrant culture of southern Spain to your everyday table.
Take and Toss are durable and dishwasher safe. Wherever you go, they go. Use them again and again.